settings. So I decided that I would try resetting it to factory, just putting it in routing mode and seeing what happens. And you get stuck on this. It's not able to, let's see, can you give me an IP? Alright, nothing. Let's see, give me a renew. Are you capable of giving me an IP address? Okay, there you go. You gave me an IP of 192.168.2.14 with a gateway of 192.168.2.1. Now we're going to try to log into the modem. So I went to 192.168.2.1 up there, and we're just going to see how long it stays on this screen. Paul, how long do you think it's going to stay on the screen?
I'm spamming it too, so.
Do you think you can handle two people trying to log in at once? Keep in mind, I'm not trying to log into some crazy webpage, so if you just walk over to the other side of the store, we are trying to log in to this. This Spectrum piece of shit. And remember when we supposedly got a new modem? We didn't. We got a used one. That's why this thing is scuffed up. But this is the TG1672 from Arris. It claims to be online and everything. And this thing is such a piece of shit. Paul, what does your computer say?
I can't connect anymore because the wireless access point turned off.
Oh, yeah. Okay, so let's... Yeah, mine's connected hardwired. Oh, bam! Your unit is updating. Please wait for a moment. Alright, so we do still have an IP, right? Do we have internet on this? Let's see if... Okay, we have no internet and no ability to connect to it locally. This thing's dead, Paul. RIP.
You had no internet from Storehouse.